Hey Superstars, my name is Miss Sieber. This is my virtual classroom and welcome to Superstar Parking. Today we are going to be learning about something that is just so much fun. But before we get into our learning, I would like everyone to take their right hand, put it inside your imaginary backpack, pull out your math thinking cap, put it on your head, turn it on, kiss your brain, and get ready to learn. So today we are learning about something called perimeter. I wonder what perimeter means. Well, let's take a look. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. This is the outside of the shape. So I want you to think about your yard. On the outside of your yard, think about perimeter like your fence. In order to find perimeter, there is a formula that we have to follow. Let's take a look. In order to find the perimeter of an object, we need to add all of the sides together. Do you think that you can do it? I think you can. Let's try it out. Here is my geoboard. This is my square. We are going to see what the perimeter of this object is. In order to find what the perimeter of this object is, we need to do a little bit of math. So first, let's calculate the length of each side. From one point to the next point represents 1 unit. From this point to this point is 1 unit, and from this point to this point is 1 unit, so the top of my square is a total of 2 units. From this point to this point is 1 unit, and from this point to this point is another unit, so my side is also 2 units. Now when we're looking at the bottom of my square, it also has 1, 2 units. And when we look at my last side, it also has 2 units. Are you ready to find out the perimeter of my object? So we know that all of my sides had 2 units in length. So let's plug it in my equation. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 2, 4, 6, 8. The perimeter of my object is 8 units. Give yourself an air high five for that one. I don't know about you, but I think that was way too easy. Should we try a harder one? I think so. Let's try it out. All right, so this is my second object. Now it looks a little different than my square, but don't be worried. You got this. So let's look at how many sides my shape has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means I will be adding all of the 6 sides together in order to figure out the perimeter of the outside of my object. So as we figure out the units for each side, we're going to plug it into my equation so that way we don't get confused. Let's look at my first side. From this point to this point is 1 unit. Let's plug it in. Let's look at my second side. From this point to this point is 1. And from this point to this point is another 1, so this side is 2 units. You know what time it is. It's time to plug it into my equation. All right, let's look at my third side. From this point to this point is 1 unit, and from this point to this point is another unit. So my bottom is 2 units. If you know what we're supposed to do next, and your thought is, let's plug it in, air high five, you're smart. All right, let's look at my fourth side. From this point to this point is 1 unit. Let's plug it in. All right, we are looking at my fifth side. From this point to this point is another 1 unit. So let's plug it in. All right, we're looking at my last side. So from this point to this point is 1 unit. So to finish up my equation, we have to plug it in. Now, in case you are wondering, Miss Sieber, are we finished? The answer is no. We plugged in my equation. Now we need to solve my equation. So get your math thinking caps ready because it's time to add. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. So the perimeter of my shape is 8 units. Now, for anybody that's been watching Miss Sieber and Superstar Parking, you know I love surprises, but My surprise is not inside this room. We actually have to go outside. Put your virtual shoes on, get your glasses on, and let's go outside. Alright, so my surprise today is introducing you to different members of my family. So, would you like to meet some of my tortoises? So let's meet some of my friends. Now come closer. Look how cute these little guys are. Say hi. Can you guys say hi to the superstars? Oh, I think they like it when I rub their backs. What do you think? Hi, honey. Hi.
That guy likes you.
Hi. You are like so cute. Hi.
He tried to give you a kiss.
Hi, Mama. You're my friend. All right, superstars, I have a question for you. I would like for you guys to comment down below, what do you think the perimeter of this little area is in feet? On the next video, we will be diving a little deeper and measuring out the perimeter of this area. All right, superstars, I don't know about you, but I'm tired from all that math. So I will see you next time. Air high five, kiss your brain, bye.